Nĩ ngatho tarĩki ĩmwe naguo mweri-inĩ wa Mũgaa wa kerĩ yũkia ngeithi ciakwa harĩ hothe ũragĩtwamũkĩra arĩ Jumatatũ ya mbere ya mweri ũyũ ngũnyite ũgeni thĩinĩ wa kĩo gabirũ thaa ĩmwe nĩ maingĩ tũkũharĩrĩirie no mbere ndaraya reke twambe tũcũthĩrĩrie mauma marĩa tũkĩrĩ namo. Arutani a University ya Moi kũgomera wĩra makĩenda marĩhwo mĩcara yao.
Moi University academic staff are still on strike. Reason being, after we had deliberated on the various issues last year for over 3 months strike, we came with an agreement and signed a return to work formula. That return to work formula has been discarded by the Moi University Council.
Arĩmi a kahũa Kĩrũgũ kaunti-inĩ ya Kirinyaga kũregana na mũbango wa DSS makiuga nĩ wa kũmauna moko.
DSS haijui mkulima sana kuliko society. Society ndio inajua wakulima wake. Na society inatetea mkulima. Kuna vitu vingi ambayo society inafanya.
Na mũingĩ gũthiĩ na mbere na kuoya President William Ruto kũng'ethanĩra na atongoria a ungumania.
We demand swift and decisive prosecution. No delays, no excuses. Corruption must carry consequences. And the people of Webuye West are watching closely.
Nĩ ngatho nĩ ngũgũthomera njĩtagwo Irimũ wa Wanjirũ metha-inĩ o tauri na njĩra ya ciĩko tũrĩ na Naomi wa Mathu. Na tũkĩambĩrĩria nĩ kiumia gĩa gatatũ rĩu kũrĩa arutwo a Moi University mationete mũrutani kĩrathi thutha wao kũigamĩra thĩ makĩenda marĩhwo mĩcara yao na mbeca cia ũkũrũ-inĩ iria gũkinyiria rĩu nĩ ciringi bilioni 9 kũrĩa makĩongereire na ũkiuga atĩ arutani arĩa ahurũku wĩra nĩ marakorwo atĩ nĩ maratangĩka ona makĩria. Mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa kĩama kĩa arutani ya University UASU arakiuga arutani makũruta wĩra atĩa angĩkorwo andũ 120 nĩ abute wĩra. Riboti ĩno ĩrĩ na Wambui wa Ng'ang'a.
Solidarity forever, for the union makes us strong.
Mathomo University-inĩ wa Moi makoretwo matagũtabanio gwa kahinda ka wiki 3 rĩu. Ũũ nĩ thutha wa arutani kuma university ũcio gũthiĩ na mbere na mũgomo wao gwa kahinda ka wiki 3 magĩteta kwaga kũrĩhwo mĩcara yao na mbeca cia pension.
Strike that was called on 20th last month is still on in Moi University. Moi University academic staff are still on strike. Reason being, after we had deliberated on the various issues last year for over 3 months strike, we came with an agreement and signed a return to work formula. That return to work formula has been discarded by the Moi University Council.
Arutani acio kũgerera ngwatanĩro yao ya UASU maugĩte atĩ marenda kũrĩhwo thirĩ wa ciringi bilioni 9 mũcara hamwe na mbeca ciao cia pension. Marenda university ĩyo ihingie kĩrĩkanĩro gĩa kũrutithania wĩra kĩrĩa mekiranĩire ngirimiti gatagatĩ ka mwaka wa 2001 na mwaka wa 2005 na kũrekereria ciringi bilioni 5 cia pension iria marauga itigĩte aruti a wĩra aingĩ arĩa matigĩte wĩra matarĩ na ũteithio.
My colleagues have already talked about the return to work formula. All the items in that return to work formula that relate to finances are in respect of salaries that have not been paid since 8 or so years ago. Because for the last so many years, we have not been earning our gross salary. We earn only net. Part of that salary consists of so many things which have not been met.
Mũrũgamĩrĩri wa ngwatanĩro ya UASU Richard Okero augĩte atĩ arũgamĩrĩri a university ũcio nĩ mathiĩte mũgarũ na ngirimitithi ĩrĩa mekĩrire kĩrore mweri wa Kanyua Hũngũ mwaka mũhĩtũku. Oho nĩ akũmithĩtie ũtongoria thĩinĩ wa university ũcio.
That is why, as academic staff members, because the issues that brought that strike to an end on 30th November last year, 2024, have been discarded, we are where we were last year. As we are talking, the Moi University staff is still not having a medical scheme for 3 months now running. We don't have a medical scheme, which is against our terms and conditions of employment.
Ngiribotera Keo TV Getika Wambui Wang'ang'a.
Nĩ ngatho Wambui Wang'ang'a nĩ ũndũ wa gũtũharĩrĩria riboti ĩyo. Tũmũrĩke riboti ĩngĩ kũrĩa aikari a Webuye ya ithũĩro kaunti ya Bungoma nĩ maikĩtie rĩtana kũrĩ President William Ruto na igoti kũng'ethanĩra na atongoria a ungumania arĩa maracokia Kenya na thutha. Mwena ũyũ marakiuga atĩ gũtikoretwo na ũthii wa na mbere ũronekana kuona aingĩ a atongoria mararĩrĩra order ciao.
We now challenge the judiciary that this is your moment, this is your time to prove that justice in Kenya is not for sale. We demand swift and decisive prosecution. No delays, no excuses. Corruption must carry consequences. Yes. And the people of Webuye West are watching closely. Let this case send a loud message to every leader who thinks public office is a license to loot. Your time is up. This case is just the tip of an iceberg.
Mbunge wetu ameaibisha watu ya Webuye West. Sasa ukienda Nairobi, wende wapi, wakitaja Webuye West wanasema ni ufisadi. Sisi tumeaibika sana. Kwa hivyo tuko tayari na tunajipanga kwa mambo ya tunajipanga kwa mambo ya impeachment. Sisi kulingana na sheria ya nchi, mbunge wenu ambaye anawakilisha, unajua kuwakilishwa ni sisi wenyewe tunaenda bungeni. Lakini kama atutoshi huko, tunachukua mtu mmoja kutuwakilisha. Na kama amepeleka ufisadi bungeni, sisi tuko tayari na tunataka kutafuta signatures tupate kwamba huyu jamaa amekuwa impeached na sisi wananchi wa Webuye West.
Yeye wakati alitangaza anatafuta uongozi wa kuwa rais wa Kenya hapa, jambo la kwanza yenye aliweka mbele ama alitilia mkato ilikuwa ni kupigania ufisadi. Na yeye aliweka hiyo kama lengo lake kuu, kuhakikisha kwamba atapunguza hii vita ya ufisadi katika nchi yetu ya Kenya. Sasa yeye ana mtihani kubwa sana ya kuhakikisha kwamba ufisadi imepungua.
Nataka niambie rais hivi, sisi kama watu wa bunge la mwananchi ambao tunaenda kwa watu chini, kwa wananchi wa Bungoma County, wanasema kuwa kama ukweli unapigana na ufisadi na wanakuunga mkono 100% kwa swala la ufisadi. President, tunataka tuone Mheshimiwa Dan Wanyama amevaa uniform ako jela, tunataka kuona Wangamati ako jela, kwa sababu sisi watu wa bunge la mwananchi hata tunashikwa, lakini hatujawahi ona mtu akikuja kututetea. So mtu mwenye anaiba mali ya umma, huyo ni mwizi. Na mwizi ni mwizi, awe msafi, awe nani, awe mrefu, awe mfupi, ni mwizi. So mimi kama minority whip narudia President, tunasema 2027 usikampeni, wewe kuja utuambie mambo ya ufisadi nimesafisha, tutakupigia kura tena.
Nĩ ngatho tume Bungoma tuthio kuria Kirinyaga arĩmi a kahũa a Kiruguya nĩ mareganĩte na mũbango wa thirikari wa kũmarĩha na njĩra ya ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe nĩyo DSS, makiuga nĩ wa kũmauna moko. Arĩmi aya magũthiĩte nginya igoti-inĩ makĩenda mũbango ũyũ ũkorwo gĩteanĩrio, makiuga kahũa kao kendagio na ndora na mũbango ũyũ wa gũkorwo nĩ wa kũmaiya mbeca kuona matikoragwo makĩmenya ũrĩa ndora yao yacenjanio.
Wakulima msilale, lale lale, wakulima msilale, mapambano.
Na kwa vile mmekuwa kotini kwa wengine wenu, mmeweza kusikia vile koti imesema. Kwa leo tulikuwa tunakuja kusikizwa kwa ile kesi ambayo tulikuwa tumeweka kotini kwa niaba yenu, kwa niaba ya society zenu na kwa niaba ya NACU, that is National Coffee Exchange na Cooperative Union, na kwa vile the NACU walikuwa wameka application waweze kuja kwa kesi leo, ikawa kesi haitaweza kuendelea leo, ingawa mmesikia koti imesema ya kwamba tutarudi Wednesday tarehe 3 mwezi wa 9. ndio tuweze kusikiza ile application ya kuweza kukubali NACU waingie kwa kesi.
Mr. President, we request you, call the original coffee farmers from the society's level. Don't be cheated by technocrats. Professor Kia does not have a single tree of coffee. They do not own coffee. Call the owners of coffee and hear their cry. Mr. President, listen to these people. They are your farmers. We are the dollar exchange earner of this country. This year we brought $49 billion to this country. Please, Mr. President, listen to the cry of the farmers.
Nimekuja hapa kuungana na wenzetu kwa ajili ya malipo ya kahawa. Tunajua tangu miaka iliyopita baba yangu alipanda kahawa mwaka wa 1956 na mpaka sasa tunapata kahawa. Tunalipwa. Hii maneno ya DSS banga kulipa tunasema no. Tunasema no. Tunasema no. Hata wakisema kulipia kwa simu, society ina uwezo wa kulipa wakulima kwa simu, ina uwezo. Kama kuna tatizo lolote society yenyewe inatatua. Lakini tatizo likiwa kwa benki, watatuma mtu kurudi kwa society, hata hatujaona malipo yako imeenda vipi.
Tunasema ya kwamba sisi tukiwa wakulima, DSS haijui mkulima sana kuliko society. Society ndio inajua wakulima wake. Na society inatetea mkulima. Kuna vitu vingi ambayo society inafanya. Na hiyo vitu ambayo society inafanya ni kwamba society inasaidia wakulima kupea pesa wakati wajafuna kahawa. Na kahawa yetu inakaanga kwa shamba for 6 months. Hakuna payment yenye inafanyika kwa sababu kahawa ijaiva. Na tunataka kahawa ilipwe mara 2 ama mara 1 kwa pesa ambayo inastahili, sio pesa kidogo kidogo ya mwezi moja. Bado mapambano.
Tugitigana na icio ciige kahua thirikari na nyititemi sekta-ini ya ukui ni maikitie ritana matereba makorwo magikundio ugi makiria a tuktuk na bodaboda ni ritana rikitio hindi ya uruguria wa tuktuk cia thitima kuria mabitha a NTSA maugite aingi a matereba matiri na umenyo wa kuhuthira nduthi na tuktuk cia thitima.
The actualization of adopting e-mobility. One of the things that we have set up is standards. So no equipment will come in this country without conforming to the standards. The bodies now you see here on these tuk-tuks, they are conforming to our standards. Anything less than that, we won't allow it. 2, also in terms of those drivers who are going to drive these tuk-tuks, we are pushing that they are trained. Again, I know they are licensed A3 class, which is okay, but using the other, fossil fuel-driven engines. But this one here, it will be tricky, and that's why I've challenged the partners here. But as you bring us this technology, please bring also what? Training. Anybody now operating a motorbike or a tuk-tuk, you must belong in a circle, and that's the only way. That through those circles now we should be able to access even support in terms of financing to get these products.
Please do not hand over the tuk-tuks to persons who are not properly trained. Because sometimes some of our young students, when they are on holiday, they are tempted to take over that kind of business, especially towards the end of the day when the riders are maybe tired or want to relax.
Our partnership with the Kisumu transport stakeholders is to roll out a mobility tool that conserves the environment.
We've lost so much in terms of spares, and now that we have an Alpha tuk-tuk, electric tuk-tuk within Kisumu, in terms of maintenance and spares, it's a gone case.
Ni ngatho mirori wa Kio TV uthite na mbere na kwirorera Kio Gabiru thaa 1 abogi thagumio cio twikirie ni turacokereria.
You Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Ewe ni wenderera we kawira kau gaku o investiire miaka iyo yothe ri umuthi uyu ngoma angiariria turi anime moke magukua indo ciaku ungika atia kana ungiambirie kumacaria na miguu ta njege ta tengera kuria gwa Kimuma Engineering System umere makuonia CCTV cia kamera ciraiganirira muhuko waku. Oho ni makoragwo na electric fence materials razor wire cia green na cia silver. Ni makoragwo na access control system ira cia kuhinya fingerprint ugitonya, intruder alarm system, na no makoragwo na indo ciothe cia mwaki nginya fire extinguishers. Oho no makoragwo na solar panels na ni makoragwo nginya na ihingo automatic kuhinya ka remote oguo wira ni muingi tawa gutinda kungangana na ngeti. Ni mahetwo ngerenwa nyingi muno. Nduka ciao cikuria Nairobi CBD macamaniro-ini ma Kamae na Gaborone Road. Showroom yao hau Nyandarua House ground floor. Nduka wengi yao area kou Nyandarua House second floor room 204. Nduka wengi haria Gaborone Plaza ground floor number G1. Na kwa kuria Kasarani ni haria Max Plaza kungetharira na Kasarani police station. Ona kana no macarie na thimo 0793494949 kana 0793949494 kana 0793595959. Gitira wira waku na CCTV cameras kuma Kimuma Engineering System. Twaririe
rikoretwo riri itena riega riria ithuĩ Kiheo TV tutwaranite nawe ikinya gwa ikinya tugakinyukithania tugikurehera tabarĩra itiganite cia gugucanjamũra gukunora na gukuhingũra maitho maũndũ-inĩ matiganite tunyitĩrĩire muoroto witũ mũnene wa gukuhe mwĩhoko mũtũrĩre-inĩ na tondu ni o muthenya na ikereka ria ruhia Kiheo TV ni tugarurĩire ikinya niguo kwagĩrithia umemerekia witu mogarũrũku meru makirehe uthio mweru wa tabarĩra citu itiganite. Tomugate wiki ungituria mundu muoyo ende kiugo kiumite kanua-ini ka Jehova ni gituragia mundu muoyo.
Alikuwa na uwezo wa kuzuia kubeba msalaba. Ndio. Alikuwa na uwezo wa kukataa kubeba msalaba. Lakini akakubali kubeba msalaba kwa ajili ya kuleta utukufu kwa Baba. Oh, haleluya.
O muthenya wa Friday thaa 3 cia rucini nyitanagira na ndungata cia Ngai kuma kanitha wa Jesus Wina Ministry tabarĩra-ini ya neno la uzima.
Alikuwa na uwezo wa kukataa na kukufa. Alikuwa na uwezo wa kukataa kusulubiwa, lakini akakubali. Ndio jina la Baba liweze kutukuzwa. Haleluya.
Ugatarwo na maandiko, ukahoerwo na ukaheo mwĩhoko mũtũrĩre-inĩ. Neno la uzima nitugie kariko
of God.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Nĩ ngatho tugagicokereria oro ringi ngatho ni guthie na mbere na gutucagura ateti Edwin Kiongozi na Beatrice Karuitha ni mathiete na mbere na gukiuga ati megunyita mbaru thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza nginya muthia makiuria muingi wa Meru kuhimbiria utongoria wa President William Ruto na munini wake Professor Kithure Kindiki. O ni morete ayuthi kuhimbiria mawira nja wa bururi niguo kunina thina uria ukoragwo bururi-ini wa wagi wa mawira.
Mulungu na turikene kila tutekwenda ikumantu peki kantu mantu kwathurano na mirega na mbinambi tugaga meru nemwe kuma thosi mwakae tunyirimbirinya gwa kuruitwise ukenda ikwathurano na misingi nyereko nya kanisa na ikuona meru nya uterere rwa gavana twina gavana mwendi murungu nya wende trendie okanisa tukona ndoka ere meru tukagwatanira
tanto vedo makarua hapo ruida karua no tunakuona deputy president kiongozi akarua no tunakuona deputy president mwana wetu urungu no twete mumeto ndisti mwenzetu tukiuga na baba kubwendi mono yule gidege na kwa mstari ywana baba kubwendi mono na biblia ilikuwa anto manto ya mega inde mono kiri para beba muru wetu gidege na ande ano mumeto ndisti wetu kikie ndo muhide ya kwega nkruki evange reverend non kuni mwana wetu ni mwana reverend wetu wa Methodist na tutitikiria kinde kyake Rwandoni non tunago tumakwira na utuma kiongozi na nde turenda mutongeri ule arekerwa tambe non tuitwiji bakara baitangugi urungu no mulikana ka president yo Kenya togeda togina maira tu na mumeru president na tuina kanya kau indukira twagite muntura umakwithirari iguru wala tumbakua mtuno wa president yo Kenya aitu na kinde kiwetu
tumeriei jore kutoma eria wana munini ende mantu letu jetete kugwa mantu da mero da kagwa mantu da Kenya da kagwa mukake turongie kemwadani na tugesi takota utongeria bora bweku wetugeta wa patriotism mutongeria au maga kemurungu kinyora muduri wonde betekete umaga kemurungu twaida na yeshima tokoreka tongera betu na njira ya katiba tafadhali ngoge wenote ngoge ukona ge county kana ke Ministry of Education ete ikuite ngoge ndo bai de na raini yeu na inya president na reganele ultimatum era members of parliament na kwenda rutero meru kwendwa constituency kwena na nkroke magana rato bako rerwa mbesa bete wagaite ngoge ndo bai.
Na tukiuma meru urumu wa mabũrũri ma gĩtarũ kĩa ithũĩro IGAD nĩ tanyĩtwo gwĩka ithabu rĩa ethari ngũĩ makĩria mabũrũri-inĩ manana arĩ hamwe na Djibouti, Eritrea na Kenya. Na kũringana na maabitha a IGAD marakiuga mabũrũri maya nĩ makoragwo magĩtũngana na mathĩna maingĩ arĩ hamwe na kwaga kwambĩka mĩtaratara ya gũteithĩrĩria ethari ngũĩ.
Did not have any real discussion on data.
Data is very important. And migrant, because our regions is the most regions who host, the most population of migrants because of the migration and forced displacement. When you see our population and the rate of displacement and refugees is very high. So the member state and the IGAD Secretariat are engaged, to give a sustainable solution, to the refugees and the forced displacement, to, transform the threats and opportunities, and we are already in advanced in this area because we already integrated in our population. We give the services like education, health, and other services to integrate. This is to, change the dynamic in the regions in the good way. IGAD is a regional body, and this regional is what's the role of IGAD? The role of IGAD is the harmonization, of the rule, is the transposition of the rule, to have, the same standards to deal, the challenge that we are facing. We should have the same capacity. If we have there is different gaps, the work cannot be, fully covered.
This particular data that we compile as a technical working group on migration and displacement is important because we are signatories to SDGs, and according to SDGs we are not supposed to leave anyone behind, and any human is not just a statistic. There are things that are related to a human being. There are economic things, there are political things, there are general social issues that affect a human being. And therefore, when you provide statistics about that movement, that particular person, you help the government and also the region to be able to plan for resources for them, and not just education, not just health, but all aspects, including governance and security.
Addressing this requires a stronger partnership amongst all of us. There needs to be continuous capacity building and the major investment in the digital and institutional innovations to be able to address these gaps.
Nigatho hono tuko tugikirira agaturumo gakoyana gitio kinene uthina mbena kwirora tafaririre ikurumirira ya twarie shararuku ukireherwo ni Maureen Wanjiru Wanjeri muthe makiaririria ngucanio ya ciana getika irimu wa Wanjiru mutwathiri na njira ya ciiko akiuba na umi wa mathu no tugikarika ati wona cihanda thaa 3 tugucemania oro haha.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Tabarĩra ya kũrimũ tha ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo ĩgĩgũkinyĩra o mũthenya